are you strong enough to do animal flow? We've got a simple test that you can do at home. Shouldn't take more than a minute, and if you can do it, even if it's not pretty, if you can do it, you have got at least the base level of strength and endurance to be able to come along to the Armoured Muscle animal flow classes. And it starts off very simply, sit on the floor. So what I want you to do, sit on the floor, on your bum, bring your knees up and put your hands beside you. Starting, can your shoulders even get in this position? So test number one, done. If you can do this, all I want to do is simply push the floor down until your bum lifts off the floor. This is actually called a crab position. Now, we're not bothered about how pretty this is if you kind of spread out. Doesn't matter. It's just a case of have your muscles and your bones got the strength to do this. Now, very simply, I want you to flip over with only your hands and feet touching the floor. So it doesn't matter which way you go, just make sure that one leg goes underneath your bum, okay? So I'm gonna take my left leg, and it doesn't matter how, I just want to go underneath, so I'm on all fours, only hands and feet touch the floor. And then, doesn't matter how, can you get back to the start position with only your hands and feet touching the floor. And then do it the other way as well, and back again. That is simply an under switch in animal flow, and it's one of the basic primary movements you can do. So as long as you can do that, again, it can be ugly, doesn't matter, as long as you can do it, we can refine it, we can build on it, we can give you options for later on. Give that test a go, and then if you can do it, come along to our classes. If you don't quite have the strength to perform our test to be able to do animal flow, there's a few basic things you can do. Simple exercises like plank, be it from the knees. Once you can build up to 1 minute from the knees, go to 1 minute full low plank. Once you can do a minute low plank, see if you can do a minute high plank. That should give you a basic level of straight arm strength and abdominal strength. And of course, later on, you can go into what's called the beast position. So there are finesse points for this on animal flow, but to just get you started, on all fours, and then lift the knee.